gbọ́ o, ẹ̀yin ọmọ Naija, ẹ dákẹ́. Ẹ jẹ́ ká sọ òtítọ́, ká sọ ohun tí à ń jìyà. Ẹ má gbọ́ ohùn wa lónìí.
Àwa ní Ọ̀chọ́lá, but who they care for us today? Sub mama. Because tomorrow is not guaranteed. My people, you make us give away our sweat, our tears, our breath. But in the end, we still can't feed. Tell me, why?
You draw your scale of preference, but our names no dey the list. You dey talk of progress, but poverty still dey persist. You tax the poor, but you feed the rich. You shut our mouths when we try to speak. Who cares about the poor? Who cares about the need? Who cares about the truth? Tell me, who cares about the streets? We dey shout for change, but you know they feel our pain. Who cares? Who cares? You call us amateurs, say we no fit to lead, but we see your greed, we see your dirty deed. We strong for mind, but we no fit run with pot belly. We dey swim with crickets for bottle of promises. You fit fool some people sometimes, but you no fit fool all the people all the time. We dey wise now, Omo Naija dey rise now. We no go gree this time, we dey shine now. Our voice go loud now. For street, we dey face reality. Children dey hug pain just to feed the family. Mama no fit go, papa no capability. You dey drop out, school don lose validity. Education no be key again, na just formality. We dey drift far from morality. Who cares about the poor? Who cares about the need? Who cares about the truth? Tell me, who cares about the streets? We dey shout for change, but you know they feel our pain. Who cares? Who cares? See young girls walking night in sorrow, because today empty, no sure tomorrow. After knowledge, still we dey borrow. All the titles just dey hollow. Why? You drive ghettos into our dreams. You break down our self-esteem. Bewa soke, lift us higher. Our Ọ̀chọ́lá, we are the future. We are the future. Don't destroy our way. Give us what is ours. We just want care for our families. No plant hate and call it peace. No take our joy and call it peace.
Subnormal.
We be the youth you got tomorrow, living the pain you built today, but we rise.